Hákarl is by far the most disgusting food in Iceland, but you gotta try it. You can find it at a few gift shops in Reykjavik. They sell a small sample of it. And so let us know what you're going to eat, and then show it to us.
I am going to eat fermented shark, which is known as Hákarl in Iceland, and it smells. Here it is. In the back. You know what? Oh my god. It smells.
Don't spill everywhere.
Oh. Yeah, that is a different smell. Also not pleasant at all. Oh my gosh.
I had it 2 years ago, and it was the worst thing I've ever tasted by far. So, she's gonna join the club now.
This is really bad. I'm so excited to eat it once you just said that. Like,
Don't be.
oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna do this.
Okay, go for it.
I told you that wasn't it.
Smells.
I told you that was the fish.
Oh my god. I didn't think it would smell worse than the fish. I was thinking maybe it would smell a little bit better than the fish.
No.
See how it goes in. Oh, it squishes. I'm so concerned. Like, do I smell it first or?
Just do it. Just do it.
It definitely smells fermented. Oh my god. No. Oh my god.
No chaser.
So, it was very squashy. It was like squashing, kind of chewy. And you can taste some of the alcohol. And it's like really weirdly fishy. It tastes kind of like how fish food smells combined with probably how cat pee smells. I feel like. And so, yes, that is Hákarl. You forgot that it tastes good. So didn't psych yourself up enough for that, did you?
And you pretended so hard last time that you liked it.
That tastes way different than the first time. All right.
Really? Yeah, because you said you liked it.
I'll try it again. This is way worse than the first time.
It's really bad, isn't it? Like, you can't even swallow it.
That was amazing.
Are you okay?
That's like a million times worse than last time.
The one you had was different, you think?
The one I had was like watered down, I think.
Yeah.
That's horrible. That's
This
like,
was really bad.
that's
Like,
10 times more horrible than last year's.
are you gonna try it?
No, not a chance.
I can eat this all day long. I could eat bit of fish forever. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you for the next episode.